y'all? It's your girl 𝚂𝚘𝚋𝚜𝚌, back again with another video. Wait. Before we get into that, I hope that you are watching this video in the best of spirits. And if not, I am sending you the best vibrations to send you on your way. I hope you're able to turn your day around and get to the things that make you feel like you. Remember, don't let anybody steal your joy. We are in complete control of how we feel and what we think and what we want to do with ourselves. And just remember that. So this video is going to be me changing the color of my locks. So I haven't even done like an official lock video on here, but that is something that I definitely do want to do. So just for like a quick summary, I have about 119 locks. I am a year and like almost 3 months locked. Yeah, right now I just have this style in. I've just been in the house chilling. I put on this regular black t-shirt so we can get into some things. I'm going to be using this Curls Unleashed Color Blast Temporary Hair Makeup Wax. I've seen a couple people do this with their locks. Their locks have been bigger than mine. I'm hoping that it is not too difficult to wash out. But either way, I'm kind of tired of the same look. Usually, like when I used to wear braids and weave and wig, I used to wear a lot of burgundy and red colors. So I was like, why not try some orange? So this is how it looks in here. And we are going to find some gloves and we are going to apply it. So stay tuned. And before we get any further, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, share this video with your social media. Tell them your girl is back and she's being consistent. Let's get it. Okay, so I have my hair in 4 and I have some gloves on. I'm going to use some gloves. It tells you to use gloves during application. Take an adequate amount of color wax in your hand using your fingertips. Apply product to your hair. So I'm not going to try to get too much like, well, maybe I will get it on my roots. I'm going to start in the back. So it looks like. Yeah. Once I put it on there, oh, I thought it would be like gooey. It's like this. Once I put it on there, I'm going to braid my hair so it can be curly. Guys. I haven't done anything to my locks, y'all. Like, at all. Like, it smells like perfumey. I haven't done anything to them though. Like, ever since I got my hair locked, they just been black. I go to a hair salon, a lock salon in LA. I haven't went for more than a few months because of quarantine and whatnot. And I have friends who know how to like retwist locks too, so that helps. Can you see? Maybe I should go get closer to y'all. Okay, I'm gonna break this up. This is my favorite. I should have my favorite lock. This is my favorite lock. She's so big. Alright, I don't really have a specific way I'm braiding it either. I'm just trying to braid it. That's my locks. I killed 2 birds in 1 stone. Maybe I could just do my lock video in here. Why did I lock my hair? I locked my hair because at the age of 24, I just came to the point where I would wear fox lock styles all the time. Like, I was just always wearing locks, like in some type of way, like the fake locks and stuff. Like, I love braids. Braids is my favorite hairstyle myself. And like, I always wanted locks. Like, the person that I was with at the time had locks for the majority of our relationship, and I loved his hair, and I just love to see black women with locks. Like, oh my gosh, like. And so yeah, and on top of the fact that money, time, also just to be like straight up, like insecurities about my hair, you know, like my hair texture, my hair type. Like, I felt like it wasn't growing. I felt like it was like just a task, such a task. I was natural for a long time, like no heat or anything for a really long time when I was in undergrad, and that was cool. But if anybody that's natural will tell you, it takes a lot of money, a lot of patience to deal with your natural hair, like when you like doing it like that. So I was like, why not just invest in getting a retwist ever so often, on top of the fact that I can definitely learn. I just haven't taken the time to lock my own hair, save money. I'm black, I'm beautiful, I'm of African descent. It's going to look amazing. And I just stopped playing around and I made the appointment to go get it twisted. Depending on the length of your hair, starting your locks may cost like, you know, like different prices. I think mine was like $1 something at the place that I went to for the length that my hair was at that time. And because of the size that I wanted, which definitely matters. So yeah, like I said, I have about 119 locks. I've counted them twice. None of them have like ripped apart or even combined. I think they're really just pretty much for the most part gonna stay this size. This is my length in like in a year and some months. And honestly, it's growing really fast. I think that because I'm not always playing with it, I'm not manipulating it in any way, it's just really just doing its thing. And I love it. Like I don't think I'll ever unlock my hair or cut them off or uncomb them. I just can't see that happening. Like I love it. I kind of want my kids to just know me as their mom who's locked. I definitely am gonna lock my kids. Of course they can like make the decision to do something else to their hair. I have a lot of friends that started off locked and they got older and decided that they wanted to switch their hair up, which is totally fine. Totes fine. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna lock my kids' hair too. I just love the way it looks, and I love just embracing my heritage. It definitely boosted my confidence. It boosted the way that I think about my hair, the way I think about myself. Most importantly, I think the change really did also come with just changing my diet, like just my spiritual journey overall. This is something that I always talk about, but it's like I think that really did a lot for my my confidence and just the way that I saw certain things and certain behaviors. And I just, to me, those behaviors weren't me vibrating on a high level. And vibrating on a high level is super important to me. So I was like, let's look at this hair to match my attitude and the way I feel about myself. And it just didn't look like, to me, it didn't look like wearing like weaves and long hair and wigs anymore and like covering it up. Of course those things are beautiful and we should be able to express ourselves in any way. But when you start to think that you look better in hairstyles that are not your natural state, I think that there's a problem, personally. And so that is why I locked my hair. At first it was really short. Oh my gosh. I am going to do a separate video on this because I want to be able to really talk to y'all and show y'all pictures of like where my hair came from, like the fried and dyed to the natural to the first day locked and all that. It was really short. I was like really convinced that I was going to look like a little boy forever. And then it just started taking off. Like having my ends sealed off, not touching it like I said, not putting heat on it, not washing it often and letting like the natural oils and grease like kind of help it grow and like let the buildup help it grow. It definitely does a lot for it, for my 4C hair. So I don't know how this wax is gonna look, but hopefully it's cute. Hopefully it's cute, y'all. It's cute. I'm like putting like low-key a lot because I feel like my hair is super black and also like thick. I really didn't get too much like on the roots. It's just on the lock. You like struggling to like clean it out. If you're part of the lock gang though, hit the like button. You feel me? I love seeing black people with locks. It's so beautiful to me. Especially like I seen this whole little lock family the other day. The man, the woman, the kid, everybody was locked. I forgot something. But oh my god, that is just so beautiful. When I went to school like up north and I used to be in the Bay, like Oakland and stuff, like you'll see that so often. It's so beautiful to me. Like, look at this Nubian family. That's how I'm trying to be. I'm trying to make boom. Alright, so I'm gonna put a timer on for 40 minutes. I'm gonna put it like 45 minutes. Then an hour. Because I want the braids, I want it to dry. So that way it can be curly. So we'll be back. sit overnight and then kind of let it breathe today because my hair is thicker because of the locks. But yeah, get into it. If you want to change your hair color without the permanent rinse, then I really would recommend the hair wax. It still feels like a little tacky right now, but it's because again my locks are really thick, so it's not like just putting it on like straight loose hair. I have very thick hair too, so yeah.